Hi Primary 4, it's another chance to do some brain breaks. Time for a break. It's really good to stop what you're doing on the computer for a while and take a break. Mindful mood.
Hello Primary 4, Miss Sampson here. I've just been doing some mood drawing. As you can hear, I've got some nice calming music on in the background, and I have been using some different colours. So I have chosen 3 different colours that are thinking about how I'm feeling. And what I've done is, as I've been moving the pencil around, I've just been thinking about how I feel and what I'm going to do today. So I've chosen blue because I'm feeling a little bit sad at the weather because it doesn't seem to be changing. I've chosen green as I'm feeling quite happy because I can go for a run later on. And I have chosen yellow because I'm feeling hopeful that fingers crossed the weather will change soon. I look forward to seeing your drawings. I hope you enjoy having some calming music and thinking about how you're feeling today. See you soon. Bye.
This brain break, cloudburst, is really good if you're in a bit of a bad mood and a bit grumpy about something. So take time to sit mindfully with your spine straight and your body relaxed. Take 3 soft, slow, mindful breaths. Imagine your grumpy mood as dark clouds around your head. We all have clouds sometimes. Now think of something that usually makes you happy. Your happy thought is like a rainbow streaming through the clouds. See the rainbow melting into it as ribbons of bright light. Feel the light inside you. Sometimes the light can burst the clouds open. Sometimes the clouds want to stay. That's okay. You can be patient with your clouds. Either way, end this exercise when you feel ready to face the day. Tummy ride.
Try tummy ride.
Try tummy ride. What one are you going to try today? Mindful mood, cloudburst, tummy ride. You've got all week. Why not try one every day?